attending a lot of forums, meetings, whereby this call has been made that Lautoka must grow. Lautoka cannot and will not grow if we just rely on the existing facilities and amenities that we have right now. What we need to do is to attract more investment to your town and cities. And this is what exactly Lautoka City Council is doing. And I know that my CEO earlier on has addressed on all those issues. I do not wish to reiterate. But let me say this to the people of Lautoka, that Lautoka must grow, and you can have my assurance that it will happen. You will see and witness the government and council funded projects for 2014. And 2 weeks ago, I have highlighted all those projects. And the major one would be the foreshore reclamation. We are working very closely with the landowners, and that is the only area where Lautoka can expand. So maybe early January, we will have a forum like this where we can discuss more. But this occasion and time is for our Honorable Attorney General. I leave it there. And once again, I would like to congratulate Mr. Pyara Singh for his leadership. I have always worked with him. He's very cooperative. He's also got a vision for Lautoka. And whenever we have any projects for Lautoka, I do consult him. So I hope he relays this message to the members as well. So with those few words, once again, thank you very much.